Hi everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're doing Halloween again with a lovely Liv. You can find it at Liv Artistry on Instagram. We're going to be doing an eye tree because, well, why not? So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to be doing a high ponytail on Liv, which is actually really hard to do to get smooth. So I'm going to show you a little trick. You're going to take your comb and you're going to just drag that comb down to the ear, and the same on the other side. I'm just popping the back of the hair into a ponytail just to keep it out my way. Now you're going to just work on these two sections to start with, okay? Because the hair doesn't like being dragged away from like its natural flow, so you really have to work that hair. So I'm going to work this sort of half of the head first and then concentrate on the back. So I'm just using my fingers to just make sure that the hair is really pointing upwards, and it's already fighting me, as you can see, but we're going to fight back. Just using a bit of wax spray to make sure that these baby hairs fall into line. And now I'm just getting a smoothing brush and I'm just going to be really working this hair until I'm happy with it. And then I'm going to be using Hair Wrap by Styler Pro. Okay, these do ship to the US and UK and I think Europe as well. So it's silicone. Just going to peel that away. So I'm just going to place this hair wrap around like that, and then I haven't got to move my hand at all. Stretching it out, wrapping it around, stretch it. And then my little ponytail has not budged. And we're going to do exactly the same, guys. So I first off use my fingers to really direct that hair upwards, because sometimes a brush doesn't quite get in there at the roots. So I'm really making sure that it's all going up. We're going to give Liv a bit of a facelift. And again, guys, getting my tape, placing it down, not moving my hands. Now I'm working with wire again today. This one is a little bit stiffer than last week's video, but it's just kind of like a malleable, bendy wire. And this is what we're going to attach our little eyeballs to instead of apples. So I need this to be long enough to kind of like loop through the hair. So I'm going to go for about this length. I can trim it at the end if I feel like it's a little bit too long, but I don't want it to be too short. I'm just going to cut that there, and I'm going to do this maybe, I don't know, 5 times. So I'm just kind of created a little hook there, and I'm going to try and wiggle this, just pop your head down, Liv, sort of up and through the centre until I've kind of got it halfway like that, and then I'm just going to pinch it. So I'm just kind of like squidging that all together like so. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking individual sections and I'm going to use a chopstick wand, which is basically just like a really thin wand, and creating some tight curls. So we are done with the curling, thank goodness, don't like curling. And now we're back to the tape again. Whoops. So that's our silicone tape. And we're going to start building our little tree trunk. So I've squidged all that metal together. Starting at the base, I'm going to be wrapping. So I'm just using some volume powder from Styler Pro to really help. So I'm going to be back combing this hair. So I'm just kind of putting all that product into what's going to be our little tree. Now I'm going to come to the individual curls and I'm just going to be backcombing. And next, of course, we need our eyeballs instead of apples in the tree. So I'm just going to find the wire, and it's already got a little hole in, and I'm just going to place it through.
And now for added effect, I'm just going to show you a quick spider eye. So take some black water paint and start by just drawing out some legs. So now once you've drawn out the black spider legs, we're just going to add some white to add some shading. And now I'm just going to add some black eyeshadow to the lid, just cover the up to the crease. I like to just press on the black pigment just so it's as pigmented as possible, and then we're just going to go in with a fluffy brush and blend that out. And now I'm just going to add some glue. I'm going to use an acrylic one, but you can use an eyelash glue if you haven't got a glitter glue. I'm just going to press that glue into where you put the black eyeshadow. So I'm using a black chunky glitter and a bluey purpley, and I'm going to mix them together. So I'm going to pop on the black glitter first. Press it into the glue. And then I'm just going to use my black aqua paint to paint the lips black.
So I'm just using the Styler Pro finishing spray, and that's going to really lock in this style. So that is our eye tree done. Would you wear this look? Me and Liv want to know, don't we? Would you walk down the street in this look? Because Liv is going to actually do that next, and I can't wait to do a reel and show you all. I'll put it on TikTok as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week for another video. Bye.